This nation is full of surprises. They promise we'll never see crisis, man. I don't vex, so I just have to write this. Make all of them know, say me, I know like this. 1 cup of beans, 18 naira. Madam, you must be a 419. She say, customer, I'm not a liar. Now they can't change today, even myself don't tire. Big boy like me is drinking Gary. Oh, I asked that, it's so Buhari. If you get mine to do me this thing, because I never wanted you to win. Sorry, Baba, sorry, APC. God is watching all of you in 3D. Don't tell me that I am angry. No wonder don't just no one marry. How will he marry in this kind of country when 1 liter of fuel right now is 140? EFCC, don't get us now today. Invite politicians up and down. Arrest somebody. Where is some money? Where is the one you collect? Let me saw it. I am not true, but I never say sorry. EDP, APC, clear analogy. On top of that, me and my babe go the quarrel day after day. Say I cook indomie, even put egg. She no be beg. Yeah, she no send. Look at her telling me pick tomatoes. If I slap you, look at your nose. Basket of tomato 41,000. Abu my baby go respect yourself and don't tell me that I am your boyfriend, I'm not your dad. You will buy tomatoes, I will buy card. Division of labor, take it like that. America, China, from nation to nation. Kuku join Beyonce on a top formation. I am still waiting for my allowance. 5,000 naira, don't talk to Kabad. Kumgaga. Man, I never hear that man voice since. Honorable Patrick Twale, I like that man. I wonder what you say about this. Come 2019, vote Vico for president. Shebi everybody one rule. I endorse him, let him step into power. I know drink and brother, I know the grace. At least I know say he no go there. They look with your face. What result this is hard for me. I'm not the one that born it. You now notice that we are not safe. Everybody is running. We still dey find our girls full and need herdsmen come up. We are Nigerians, but the common thing we had has been this common. If you don't agree, do me a favor, get out of here. I have started packing my things, so man, I'm so out of here. And I think federal government should do something about this song. It's like from here to hellfire, it's just 13 naira bus. Please, somebody help me tell them that it's joke that I joke. If you come and arrest me, I say I never said so. Right now I'm on ghost mode. You never see me to chase. Actually, you think this is me, but this is not my real face.